This is Sophie Heller, and this is an ACT English punctuation question. This question is interesting because it shows us how important punctuation is. Sometimes it can change the meaning of a sentence, and sometimes, like we'll see in these answer choices, it'll make the sentence not make any sense at all. So let's look at what the sentence is saying first off. It says, as of 1981, some Vietnamese, like boat owner, this guy, I'm not going to try to mangle that name, actually owned part of a shipyard. So let's look at our answer choices to see what we're trying to say. So we're trying to say that the author's trying to say rather, that there were some Vietnamese people, like this boat owner, who owned part of a shipyard. So we want to see what reflects that. So in our first answer choice, and also in our second, we see Vietnamese-like with this hyphen. This hyphen is making this an adjective, so it's saying that the boat owner is Vietnamese-like, which doesn't really make any sense. It's describing the boat owner as like a Vietnamese person. So that's definitely not what the author is intending. So choices 1 and 2 are going to be wrong because we're not trying to make this an adjective. Choice number 4 is also going to be wrong because it's saying some Vietnamese like boat owner, this guy. So it's saying that the Vietnamese people is our subject, like is our verb, this boat owner. Which may be true, but the author is not trying to describe whether the Vietnamese people like this guy or not. It's trying to say like, as in giving an example. So choice 4 is wrong. Choice 3 is what the author is intending to say, trying to say that some Vietnamese people, for example, like this guy, owned part of a shipyard. So this is going to be the right usage of like, and we see here that punctuation really did make a difference. So choice 3 is the only answer that works.